7 best places to live in Hawaii. It's not surprising if many people desire to live in Hawaii. After all, the Aloha State is one of the most beautiful places the United States can offer. It is a first-class tourist spot, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of you here have listed this place on your bucket list. Hawaii is a superb destination for individuals who are planning to spend their life on a permanent holiday. Its abundance of beaches, rolling hills, and fresh seafood attract many people to come and settle here. It also ushers a plethora of hiking routes and trails for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. But aside from these blissful lavishes, Hawaii isn't shy as well at boasting a thriving economy. Tourism is its major economic backbone, and it provides jobs to most of its residents, which in turn help the state generate millions in revenue. Choosing the ideal place to live in Hawaii can be confusing, as it can offer you numerous options. But lucky for you, I'm here to narrow down your selection. Hello everyone, I'm Anne from PackAndGo, and in this video, I will showcase the best places to live in Hawaii. So sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. 7. Waimalu. The first place that I'll feature in this video is Waimalu. This one has close proximity to Ea and Pearl City. Specifically, it is where you can find the historic Pearl Harbor, which makes it a historically significant conurbation, not only in the country, but the entire world. But is it worth living here? Certainly. After all, the place offers a safe community for its residents, its crime levels are pretty low, and you can roam around freely. Moreover, it isn't as crowded as other major residential areas in Waimalu. Most of its residents are transients, and roughly 50% of them are just renting and moving afterward. Therefore, there's always an opportunity for you to acquire a property here. The median home value of Waimalu is $440,000, which is considered to be the most affordable among all the premier living areas in Hawaii. More than 30 public schools are serving the Waimalu area. Meanwhile, it also has easy access when it comes to medical facilities and emergency services. The suburb is also complete with restaurants, bars, and other recreational facilities. 6. Kapolei. One of the interesting aspects of Kapolei is its close semblance to Honolulu. That's the very reason why many have touted it as the second city of Hawaii. Needless to say, it can really live up to your expectations. Notably, Kapolei offers a seamless learning continuum to its residents. High-quality public and private schools are serving in the area from preschool to secondary. Its residents also enjoy flexible and highly accommodating healthcare options. They have access to basic and advanced medical services, which include specialized treatments. With a population of 21,000 people, it's easy to say that Kapolei is sparsely populated as compared to Honolulu. Hence, if you want to embrace a city vibe without having to deal with extra congestion, living in Kapolei is highly recommended. Moreover, this city has moderate housing prices. Average real estate prices typically range from $500,000 to $600,000. It also has a high median household income that sits at $103,000, which is twice higher than the national average. Kapolei is studded with beautiful resorts and recreational facilities. The Ko-Olina Resort and Marina, for instance, is Kapolei's most luxurious resort destination. And if you're a golfing aficionado, you should set your foot here. After all, it has more than 10 golf courses waiting for you. 5. Waikiki. Recently, Waikiki has been gaining popularity within the millennial generation. This splendid community, after all, has a vibrant and ecstatic atmosphere, which is reminiscent of the cities and suburbs located in other states of the country. But at the same time, Waikiki still maintained its charming and quaint rapport. It is for this reason why many families and retirees wish to move here. One of the most significant advantages of Waikiki, as compared to other places in Hawaii, is its affordable housing rates. Its median home value is $500,000. Of course, that is still pricey, but if you're going to compare it to the median home value to other locations in the state, this place offers numerous amenities such as restaurants, shopping centers, and even a golf club. Its nightlife is pretty alive as well. It isn't plagued with crime either, so you can expect that your stay here is extra safe and sound. 4. Mililani. As a small city in Oahu, you wouldn't expect first that Mililani can offer something extravagant to you. But once you're here, you're in for a treat. You see, Mililani prides itself as the very first planned community in Hawaii. It has an extensive history on its resume, and it is not surprising that it has a well-organized community and residential spaces. The current neighborhood of Mililani is lined with spacious houses, full-grown trees, and other amenities that can make your life here comfortable. Due to the presence of the H2 freeway, commuting from Mililani to Honolulu and vice versa is very convenient already. The freeway also divides the Mililani neighborhood into the Mililani Mauka, Mililani Town, and the community within the older portion of H2. You should consider living in Mililani if you or any of your family members are rendering military service. The town is just driving distance from Camp Smith and Wheeler and Schofield Barracks. However, you need to prepare for the home prices here. Its median home value sits at $731,000, so it's far more expensive than other cities in the country. Meanwhile, 75% of its residents have their own homes. From diverse restaurants to amazing shopping centers, Mililani has them all. In fact, there's also a golf course here and a myriad of parks for exercise, sporting, and other recreation activities. 3. Kailua. Kailua is one of the most beautiful residential spaces in Hawaii. In the past, it was a sleepy area within a windward side of Oahu. Today, this sun-kissed town is popular for its thriving communities and picturesque beaches. The Lani Kai and Kailua beaches are known throughout the world as it magnetizes thousands of tourists every year. But of course, Kailua is not just about aquamarine seas and golden coastlines. It's also a wonderful place to settle in. It has a stable economy, which is definitely an appealing factor for families and young professionals. Moreover, this town offers public-friendly transportation options. You don't have to deal with blood-boiling traffic. Notably, Kailua doesn't have large resorts, big giant malls, and luxurious hotels. But this doesn't mean that it will not give you top-of-the-line living standards. It still has tasty delicacies offered by family fun restaurants and small shops where you can get your essentials. With a population size of 37,500, it's easy to say that Kailua is a densely populated suburb. Interestingly, around 70% of its residents have their own home, even if the real estate property value here can go as high as $950,000. But of course, that's pretty understandable since living here means that you're just walking away from the area's ritzy beaches, such as the Na Mokulua and Kalama Beach Park. 2. Honolulu. Needless to say, the capital of Hawaii deserves a spot here. Located on the southern beaches of Oahu is the blooming city of Honolulu. Unlike the suburban and rural towns in the state, Honolulu is marked with economic vibrance. It has a jovial and lively atmosphere, and it bustles here and there. Despite being close to the pristine coastlines and turquoise beaches, the city still features a collection of towering buildings and structures. It's a reminder that the city is one of the most progressive state capitals in the United States. It is also densely populated. Its current population sits at 400,000. With the addition of tourists, you can anticipate that this place doesn't run out of crowds, even during the night. Bars and restaurants are all over the place. Many parks and green spaces are installed in various spots in the city where people can relax and enjoy their free time. Honolulu has expensive real estate pricing. An average home here may cost $750,000, with a median rent price of $1,500. With its median household income of $76,000, it's not a surprise that only half of its residents have their own here. Despite that, you'll enjoy the fact that Honolulu offers numerous opportunities and live your life to the fullest. You will never have a dull life here, as it's the home of various attractions such as Diamond Head, Hanauma Bay, and the ever-famous Pearl Harbor and Pearl Harbor National Museum. 1. Maunawili. It is not difficult to rank Maunawili as the best place to live in Hawaii. Situated within the island of Oahu, Maunawili is considered a small community. It only houses less than 2,000 people, and if you want to escape the crowd and bustle of cities and concrete jungles, Maunawili is the perfect destination for you. Here you will enjoy its calm rural feel. The place is generally peaceful, so that's something that families and retirees should seriously consider. Furthermore, Maunawili is friendly to commuters. Its roads are developed, which provide numerous access points into Hawaii's capital. Many top-caliber public schools are serving Maunawili. Meanwhile, it also boasts a strong economy, with tourism and fishing as its major industries. But keep in mind that Maunawili is a premier real estate location. Hence, you should anticipate that its property prices aren't low. In fact, an average home here has a staggering price of $1 million. But of course, these houses embody modern architectural standards. Most of them have private gardens, pools, tennis courts, and other luxurious amenities. If you have the money, then you should seize the opportunity to settle here. Maunawili is also a gateway to various attractions such as Olamana, Alupo, Heiau State Historic Site, and Maunawili Falls Trailhead. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, just hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe!